too tired to be doing this.
Since 6 a.m. me woke up and was thriving less in a water plant in a desert, this part of the video gets a voiceover. Why do I sound like a game show host? You get a voiceover, and you get a voiceover, and you get a voiceover.
Did I low-key just compare Oprah to a game show host? Okay, bye.
So the first hairstyle is heatless curls. This is my favorite method. You just take a rope belt, throw it over your head, and then you wrap small pieces of your hair away from your head around the rope belt until you get this little twisted looking braid thing. And you tie it off at the end with a hair tie. You want to do this while your hair is slightly damp, which is why I had to wake up at 6 a.m. See, I pretty much just sleep through the morning because I don't like it. So what had happened is I went to bed at 2 a.m., woke up at 6 a.m. when my hair was almost dry, and then I curled it, went back to bed for another 4 hours, and the curl had set by then. The only difference it made was in day 2 hair. My day 2 hair was more voluminous than it was curly, but as you will see when I show you how to do the second hairstyle, my day 2 hair was awesome looking. To finish off the prep work for this hairstyle, I like to tie the ends together at the back of my head just so it's more secure while I sleep. It's more secure than my identity, to be honest. My social security number, full name, and date of birth is... Okay, so I slept and I've just been getting ready this morning and I left my hair like this, so it's been about 4 or 5 hours. So I think I could take my hair down now. And I can talk because I'm not super tired. Kinda. Does anyone feel like they just got whacked in the face by a door whenever they wake up? Is that a thing? Okay, so you're just gonna gently unwrap your hair. Now this is what my hair looks like. You can go in with a curling iron if you want to touch up any pieces, but no heat. Heat is not good for your hair. My skin looks like poop today. So red. It's always really red. I don't know what to do with that. This is what it looks like from the back, by the way. So this is a really good starting point for a lot of hairstyles if you want to do anything with curls, or you just want some extra texture in your hair. Since some of these hairstyles are much easier to do with straight hair, I'm going to do those another day. But yeah, this is like a good starting point. It gives you some nice volume to your hair. And this has nothing to do with anything, but look at how dry my skin gets. Here, let me turn off that light. Look at that. It's so bad. It's really bad. I'll be right back. I'm not sure what it looks like on camera, but in person it low-key looks like I was trying to cover up a black eye. So, you know, it's just me getting into fights all the time. For this next hairstyle, it's one of my favorites, but I feel like it's kind of cheating. Is this cheating? We're bringing out the hair. So I bought this ponytail off of insert name here, I&H, on Black Friday, and I got a really good deal for it. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but it was like $20, $30 maybe, and it's typically like, I want to say $60, I can't remember. But if you don't own one of these, get one of them, okay? These are fun. If you want to feel like Ariana Grande, just take your hair and put it in a normal ponytail, right? We're gonna ignore the receding hairline today. This is like the one hairstyle I make an exception for. And if you really want it to stay, you're going to want to use a second hair tie. This is just gonna help so you have more of a base to clip the ponytail onto. And now you're gonna take it, see this clip in the front? You're gonna take the clip, jab it in, and take the tiny little piece right here and wrap it around. And then you put some bobby pins in it. I gotta go find some bobby pins. Didn't think this part through. Typically I would secure the bobby pins a bit better than that, but I'm not wearing this out today, so. But look, Ariana Grande who? Just kidding. we're not. No. My hairline can never look like that. You like my hair? She thinks. Just on it. Now you can see some of my hair sticking through. It blended better when it was all one length, and also when it's completely straight. Since it has a little bit of a wave left to it, it's not perfect. But this is amazing. This is my favorite thing on planet Earth. Like, I feel so cool when I wear this ponytail. Like, don't talk to me. Just kidding. I would never be mean, okay? Talk to me. I just might not listen because I have anxiety and I'm thinking, oh my gosh. Someone's talking to me. I'm not a very socialized person. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just bought it. Don't do that. You're gonna tangle it. I don't suggest that. That's not a part of the tutorial. Yeah, this is natural. This just grew out of my head. Just kind of does that sometimes. This is too much power, okay? Hierarchy of power. Senator, president, fake ponytail. Okay, I need to stop. I can't stop. It feels so cute. I don't need to brag and be like, I want that, put it back, yeah. Okay, so I have no idea how this next hairstyle is going to go because I've never tried it before, but it's, you know, it's a really smart idea to try new things on camera. Hi, Earhart. Currently, I have a cactus in my window up there, but Miss Earhart here tried to climb up there where the cactus is and knock it in the floor. And then I also have a cactus right there. She just tried to stick her whole face in it. Someone's a little chaotic today, I guess. Look at how pretty she is. Oh, okay. Picking out the pieces I want to frame my face. I think I'm gonna leave these two pieces out just for now. I'm gonna just keep that out of my way. Oh, I think that's better. Is it? Maybe not. Okay, so I'm gonna put my hair into two ponytails and you can choose however high or low you wanna make these. I feel like the higher you go with these, the more confidence you have to have. So by that logic, my ponytails should be very low. We're gonna try to make them somewhere in between. We're gonna fake some confidence today. I don't know where my hair tie went. Oh, it's under my butt. I can't be the only one that finds this really cute. There's something so sassy about having pigtails. It's like, hi, I'm here. I'm gonna take some bobby pins and a piece of hair from each side. And I'm just gonna take this hair and wrap it around the hair tie, clip it with my bobby pin. Oh, I didn't clip it very well. Then it should look a little bit like this. Then I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna braid it. I could go further down with this, but if I do, I'll have pieces of shorter hair sticking out, so I'm not going to. And I need to go back and redo this wrap because apparently this is something I'm just not good at. Then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm just taking a piece of hair, wrapping it around the hair tie, and securing it with a bobby pin. Then I'm gonna braid the hair in the pigtail. I don't know how this happened, but we're gonna pretend it didn't. Now your hair looks like this, and I feel like this is a really nice hairstyle for, why am I out of focus? Wild. You think if you bought an expensive camera, it would know how to like work? You would think if I was doing a hair tutorial, I'd be able to do the hairstyle without any issues. You want your hair done, Earhart? Yeah? I feel like this is a nice hairstyle for working out and just doing this. It's really cute. It's fun. This says I'm a fun person. I'm a fun person. I'm really fun. I have lots of friends. I don't spend most of my day with my cat. All I did was a little pet and she's purring right now. Why can't I wrap my hair? Ah! So this next hairstyle also involves pigtails, but it's gonna be a half up, half down. Actually, more like 1/4 up, 3/4 down. But you'll get it, right? So you're gonna take a small section of your hair and you're gonna take a hair tie and you're just gonna make a pigtail on each side. Okay, now you're gonna take like a lot of elastics. Now I gotta find them all. Why did I do that? Take a little tiny section of hair and then add an elastic. And then you're gonna repeat this all the way down. And if you want to, you can do a little zhuzh to make it a bit bigger and give it more texture. Then of course do this on the other side. Now your hair should look like this. This is so fun. I love pigtails. It's so cute. Kind of look like, you know, like the alien thing? Like cue Illuminati music. I actually don't know like how to find the Illuminati music. Can someone help me? Can someone send it to me? Can I get the MP3 file, please? Thank you.
It would probably only take a 5-second Google search, but you know. Who has time for that?
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this gave you some ideas for some easy heatless hairstyles you can do. This was fun. It took me several days to do this because normally I'm hurrying to get ready for work. I'm really happy you stuck around to the end of the video. Please subscribe to my channel. We need some subby-dubby, sub people watching this channel. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it a lot. Stay tuned for my next video, which won't be in like 2 months. I promise. It'll be sooner than that. I promise. Please believe me. I think I don't believe myself, but thank you for watching. Bye. Ow. That hurt my elbow.